Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creator. This is Ashwati. Today is Onam and we are gonna start our vlog with cooking. And I have already cut these vegetables yesterday night and kept it in fridge so that it would be easier for me to cook because we are gonna cook a lot today. There is sambar, avial, olen, and bindi side dish. So few sabji and sambar is there, and even kheer. So that's the reason I've already cut vegetables and kept it in fridge, so it saves a lot of time. Now I have to cut this beans for avial. That's the reason I'm cutting in large pieces. First of all, I have cooked this dal. This is a very small dal is there, which we give for babies. This is for Ima. I've cooked this dal, and what I'm gonna do is I'll be adding a little bit of salt and ghee to it, and that's it for Ima. This is done. I mean, like her curry is done. This is what we are gonna give for Ima. And for sambar, I have already cooked the sambar dal, and to that I have added all the vegetables and shallots. I love to make sambar with shallots because it's so tasty. And then I'll be adding a little bit of water, turmeric powder and salt, and giving it good mix, and I'll be cooking it for just 1 minute so that this vegetable just gets cooked. So I've added drumstick, potato, carrot, shallots, and if you want you can add some other vegetables as well. Meanwhile, I'll be also cooking rice, and this is kumbranya. I think it is called as ash ground in English. So I've sliced it in very small pieces like so, and then I'll be adding a little bit of salt, water, and green chili, and giving it good mix. I'll just close it with lid and let it cook for good 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll be taking coconut milk out of this coconut. I usually used to use shredded coconut, but then when I do not have time, I just use this method. I just cut out coconut from that shell. That's what I did here. And then I've taken coconut milk. I'll be adding coconut milk, a little bit of coconut milk to this olen. That's what this side dish is called as. It's very simple, just this ash ground and green chili and a little bit of salt and coconut milk. That's it. And now for sambar, I have done the tadka first, that is mustard seeds, and then curry leaf. To that oil I'll be adding coriander powder and red chili powder, and I'll be just giving it good mix. And then to that I'll be adding this cooked vegetables and dal is there, no, I'll be just adding that and then giving it good mix. Meanwhile, this olen is prepared. As I said, it's very simple, but it's so yummy, so healthy. At the end we can add a little bit of coconut oil. It would be nice. So I've added that. I forgot to show you guys. And at the end, to sambar I'll be adding tomato. We'll be adding tomato at the end because tomato cooks very fast, and then also tamarind water for that sour taste. At the end I'll be adding a little bit of sambar powder. It is homemade sambar powder, and it smells so good. And then that's it. I'll be giving it good mix, and I'll be adding this hink. It is solid hink. I'll be adding that and giving it good mix, and sambar is also done. It's very simple. I do make sambar in this way in cooker itself, so it's much easier. So I'll just keep it aside so that it cooks in simmer for 5 more minutes, and then switch off the flame. And now I'll be making avial. So that I've added all the vegetables and then a little bit of salt and turmeric powder, and I'll be cooking in cooker for just 1 minute, one whistle, that's it. And then let it cook for avial. I'll be making this papadam. So this is what I got from hometown, and I love making papadam. It might seem very easy right now because I'm fast forwarding it, but then it took a lot of time for me to cook. A lot of time in the sense like 1.5 to 2 hours for all this cooking. And also meanwhile I wash dishes as well because I do not have more than 2 cooker for cooking vegetables, so I will have to wash this cooker first after finishing off cooking one dish, and then I will have to cook other dish in the same cooker. I hope you understand. I just want to say that I do have only limited vessels with me. That's the reason I have to struggle more. Then for breakfast, we'll be having this papad and banana. That's it, because we'll be having a lunch very early, maybe like 11 o'clock. So that's the reason we kept our breakfast very minimal. Ima loves papadam. She absolutely loves it. And after having breakfast, it's not breakfast, just papadam and banana, boiled banana. And to avial, what we are going to do is I'll be taking a little bit of coconut and jeera and one green chili, and then I'll give it a mix. That's it, no water, nothing. And then I'll be adding a little bit of coconut oil, and also at the end I'll be adding curd as well to this avial. That's it. Again, this avial is also very simple. All these dishes are very simple to make. At the same time, it's so tasty and it's very healthy as well. That's the main thing I love about like Kerala dishes. Most of them are very simple to make, very less oil, very no masalas at all. As you guys can see, I haven't added any masala at all. And then avial is also done. Now we are gonna make a bindi side dish. So I made this basically to like for my dinner. Just that I thought I will just finish off this walk. I will also I will just make it during lunchtime itself, so that I can have a little bit of bindi for lunch, and whatever leftover is there, we will have it for dinner. And then I've just fried a little bit of onion, and then I've added like that red chili is there, no, that thing that was not sufficient, so I added a little bit of one what we call that, we add this topping as for pizza, this red color chili and salt powder, something like that. That is actually topping for pizza. I just added that to this bindi side dish as well. And I also add a little bit of oregano. By the way guys, it tastes so well. I absolutely love it. I sometimes add oregano to this bindi side dish. I absolutely love it. Actually, we absolutely love it. There is no hard and fast rule for cooking. We can do whatever we like. And then at the end, I've made this curd, this homemade curd. To that I've added green chili and ginger. This is good for digestion. That's the reason we made that. So while we having with food, it's good for digestion, since we are having a lot of food. So this one is good. And then as you guys can see, it's a very big mess in kitchen. I have lots and lots of dishes to wash. But then I thought I will just prepare kheer, and then I will wash all these vessels. And for kheer, I have taken 1 liter of milk, and I'll be adding this instant payasam mix. So this is from Double Horse, and today we are making palada. It's very easy. We need to add this packet. Like this instant payasam mix, we need to add this packet to this 1 liter of milk, and then boil it and let it cook for half an hour. But the difficult part is that we need to keep on stirring it. I mean, like, just keep on mixing it so that this milk doesn't burn. So that's the only thing we need to know or do. That is a little difficult. It is time consuming, but then it's easy. Meanwhile, I cleaned kitchen. So all the kitchen work is done, only kheer work is left, that is only little bit. So before that I took shower, and Imo also took shower. So I'm gonna make her wear new dress, and this is my new kurta. Here is the top and here's the pants. So I'm gonna make her wear so this is gonna be very comfy and it's really nice. Say hi. Hi. Are you moving or not? Hi. And our food is also ready. Now we are gonna have food, and then we will go out and visit our friend. That's it. We will be visiting them and we'll be heading back. We are not planning much. As I said, we are not celebrating Onam as such. And now we will be making a call to both of our family. We haven't called them till now, so we'll be making a WhatsApp call right now. We do miss them a lot actually. So, but then what to do? Bye. See, flying is so good. guys, so we are back and we had our dinner. So it was chapati, so there was leftover bindi side dish from lunch, so we had that. And I need to show you guys something. I have put on fake nails. How does it look like? Please do let me know if you like it or not. I am loving it. I am putting on fake nails after a very long time. As you all know, I'm a person who works a lot in kitchen, who does all the household work, and for me to have fake nails is very difficult. And also I need to feed Ima. I do feed her with my hands, so that is also a difficult thing. I just want to show you guys something. This is this August month grab box. I absolutely loved it. This is jewellery grab box, and 1 month jewellery box cost 499 rupees, and for 499 rupees we get 1900 rupees worth jewellery, which is great. All the jewellery is of amazing quality and packaging is really good, so I thought that I'd just share with you guys all the jewellery pieces, how it looks like. I have already shot that video wherein I have worn all this jewellery and everything is done, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. And I'm very tired because there was a lot of cooking. Then we went out and we had a meet up with our family friends, and we had some good time there. And then getting back, and after getting back I put on this fake nails and I shot 2 videos, which was really tiring. Oh my god, that was really long videos. One is Nykaa haul and one is Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream review. Then also I made dosa batter. For me, like making dosa batter is not a big thing, but washing that grinder, oh my god. Don't ask me guys, grinder, because it's so heavy and it's not at all manageable for me. And with this fake nails I had to wash it, but still I was very determined, and I was like so determined that I'm not gonna take it off. And I washed grinder and I washed my grinder with this fake nails. Can you imagine, guys? And surprising thing is that it didn't come off. I was expecting it to come off very quickly because I washed a lot of dishes today, but then it didn't come off at all, which is very good. I'm so excited. So I think I will keep it, and let us see if it is gonna come off by itself. Let it come off. So that's what my plan is. So that's it, guys. I want to sleep. I'm desperate for sleep because so tired. Have a look at this beautiful jewelry pieces. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.
So this month's Grabox has got 1900 rupees worth jewellery, and we get it for 499, which I feel is a very good deal. So the very first earring I'm going to show you guys is this golden earrings with the black beads to it. So it's very nice earrings. It seems to be very heavy because it's very big, but then even though it is big, it is not at all heavy. It is very lightweight, which is something I absolutely love. And we can definitely pair it with any ethnic wear, kurtis, salwars, even Indo-Western wear as well. So it's a very nice piece, good one. And next earring is this loop earrings, which looks very stylish and which is very different, and again it's very lightweight, and each and every earring and each and every jewellery piece comes wrapped in plastic cover, so it is very safe and secure. It's not gonna get damaged at all, which is something again I like. So again, this earring is very good one. And next one is this golden earring. It's actually Afghan earring, which is so much in trend right now. What I really liked about this particular earring is that it is perfect in the size. I mean, it is neither too big neither too small, so I absolutely love the size of this earring. So anyone can wear it, and small hangings, golden round hangings, looks very gorgeous. I absolutely loved it, and we can pair it with any ethnic wear, Indo-Western wear, including like saris and fusion looks, whatever it is. So it's absolutely gorgeous piece. This is my favorite one in this all these jewellery pieces. This is my favorite. Next one is this white hoop earring, and it is again a different one. It has got 2 jhumkas and one below the other. It has got beads, and there is a little bit of stone detailing as well. Again, it might seem very heavy, but then it is not. It is very lightweight, and it is gonna look gorgeous with all ethnic wear as well as Indo-Western wear. So again, it's a very good piece, absolutely lovely piece actually. And next one is this neck piece set, and I think this is not something new. We have seen it a lot actually. I think I have seen the same piece 5 years back in Bangalore Commercial Street. So we can definitely find the same piece in every street shops, jewelry street shops. So there is nothing new about this particular jewelry piece. So it's a okay product, nothing great, nothing much to say. Anyways, quality and finish and all is perfect, it's really good, but then it's a very normal piece of jewelry. Next one is a choker, and as you guys know, choker is so much in trend right now. Not just right now, it has been in trend for past 2 years. So it's a tie-up choker. If you want, we can tie it in the front like so, or else we can tie it at the back as well. If you do not like it as a choker, we can wear it as a necklace as well. So it's all up to us. We can style it in the way we want it to be. So it's again a good piece, lovely one. I liked it. I'm a fan of choker, so it's something I absolutely loved. And next one is this ear cuff, and this is of amazing quality, you guys, and both the sides has got same design, so it's up to us whichever ear we want, we can wear it in that ear. And it's again a statement piece, so we can't wear it daily basis. If you want, we can definitely wear it, but then it's mainly a statement piece. Again, this is something a statement piece. This oxidized jewelry, whether it is silver or gold, both is so much in trend right now. It's a gorgeous piece, and we can wear it just as it is. We need not wear any other jewelry, because it's really huge, and I absolutely loved it. We can again pair it with any ethnic or Indo-Western look. It would look absolutely gorgeous. Next one is this huge earrings, round stone earrings, which just got red stone to it, and a little bit of detailing and work going on all around, and it is huge, you guys. It's really huge, but then it's very gorgeous, lightweight, and I absolutely loved it. It's very different actually. And since it is August month, we also got India's flags badge as well.